In this video, we'll look at how to optimize your Facebook page to increase engagement with visitors. Facebook offers pre-made templates to optimize your page for your specific business type. Under Templates and Tabs, pick an option that suits your business best. Each template has a unique layout of buttons and tabs geared towards that business type. If you're a page admin, editor, or moderator, add a call to action button that best supports your business objectives. For brick and mortar businesses, adding address and contact information is especially important. It ensures search engines can index you in local search results so potential customers can find you. If you don't have a physical location, skip this field and dedicate the profile space to other page elements. To help build community, feature other businesses' Facebook pages. This builds working relationships with like-minded and complementary companies. To feature other pages, first like the page, then add the featured likes column to your page. Keep in mind, individuals managing your Facebook page must be comfortable using their personal Facebook profiles to perform admin duties on behalf of the business. If someone is not comfortable using their personal Facebook profile for this, they should find another person within their social team who is willing to connect their personal Facebook page to the organization's.